Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we change by e to the power of 2s, everything to the power of 2. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of 2s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to number 2 e to the power of 2s ds. Because we don't have the number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u e to the power of 2s ds. We change by this one. Next, we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about u equals to number 5 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 25 tan t square. Number 25, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change by secant of t square, and later that we simplify by the u. Now we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to number 5 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one gone here. The u we change by this one. This one we have 25 tan t square. So number 25, we can do about factorization. Now we change this one into secant of t square. And now we simplify. So number 5 and number 2, we have number 10. The integration of this one, we have t. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 5. And we have t equals to arctan of u over 5. So I will put this one to change for t. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.